Welcome to my course. I'm Kazem from codewithkazem.com. In this course, I will teach you how to create a delay in Python. There are many methods for creating a delay in your Python code. I will show you 4 methods for creating a delay. Delay has many applications in Python. When you want to wait for a response from another function, or you want to create a delay in your code for taking input from the user, or has a many purpose, you can use the delay in your Python code. In this tutorial, I will show you 4 methods to create a delay in Python. First and simplest way is using the time library. It is very simple. You just need to install the time library and import time. Then in the line that you need to create a delay, you use the time.sleep, and between parentheses you will set the time in second. In this code, I want to create a delay for 5 seconds. Then I will put here 5. If I run this code, you will see that it waits for 5 seconds, then it prints the bye. Hello is printed. After 5 seconds, this line is run. As you see in here, we create a delay in our Python code. You can change this number and run 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, it was the simplest method to create a delay in a Python. It mostly used in the Python code. The second method is using the matplotlib. Matplotlib is one of the famous library in Python that used for plotting, for showing a graph or a figure. This library has a function named pause. Pause used for creating a delay. As you see here, pause has a one input variable. It is an interval. Interval determines the delayed time in second. It is very simple to use. You type the matplotlib dot pyplot dot pause, then you specify the your delay in second. For example, in here I want to create a delay for 3 seconds. Then I will put here the 3. If I run this code, after 3 seconds, this line is run. Okay, it was the second method. If it is necessary to install this library before using this code. Okay, the third method. The third method is advanced method. we want to use the trading. Trading is one of the properties of Python. In trading, we use the timer function. It has a timer function. This code is different with the previous code. In this code, we want to delay the execution of a function. We have a function here. We want to execute this function after some delays. For example, in here I want to run this function after 5 seconds. So for this purpose we can use the trading library. A trading library has a function timer. You just need to write as you see. You must define a variable t equals timer, in parentheses delay in second, the number of delay in seconds. Then you write the name of your function, and you write the again you write the number of delay in second in here. With this command, you will set 5 seconds for 5 seconds. After 5 seconds, this function will run. After creating this variable in this line, it is not run, but when go to the 21 t.start, it will run the previous code. Okay, if I want to run this, you will see the output. Start, wait for 5 seconds, then the function is run. You can change this, for example, 10 seconds. Start. After 10 seconds, this function is run. It can use in a many Python code for different purpose. But it was one of the questions in my website, how we can create a delay for the execution of the function. In the previous, we just create a delay, but in here we are create a specific delay for a function in our code. And the final method. Final method is using buzz trading again, but in here we use the event function. Event function, it is very simple. You just need to create a variable as you see here, event.wait. In parentheses, you specify the number of delay in seconds. When this code is finished, it returns the false variable for you. If you want to write a if method after it, when the RT is false, for example, you can run another function. You can write some other Python code. It gives you an output. That is, output can be very useful in some Python code. Okay, in this code we use the event function, event dot wait, and the number of delay. If you run this code, you can see that it is wait for 5 seconds, then it prints this message for us, waited for 5 seconds. Or you can set this to 7. run the code, and you see that code wait for 5 seconds. Thank you for your watching and have a good time.